Core consumer prices in Tokyo, considered a leading indicator of Japanese price trends, rose 1.9% in April from a year earlier, marking the fastest annual pace in 7 years, government data showed on Friday. The increase in inflation, driven mostly by food costs and the dissipating effect of past cell phone fee cuts, underscores a common view among economists that Japan will see price rises accelerate to the central bank's 2% target in coming months. The rise in the Tokyo Core Consumer Price Index was faster than a median market forecast for a 1.8% gain and followed a 0.8% increase for March. The index excludes fresh food, which is a volatile factor, but includes energy items that marked the fastest gain since March 2015, when the index rose 2.2%. In the overall reading, which includes fresh food costs, Tokyo CPI increased 2.5% in April from a year before, the fastest growth since October 2014. The fading effect of cell phone fee cuts last year pushed up the overall CPI by zero point 0.80 points, while non-fresh food prices drove it up by zero point 0.17 points, the data showed. To-go sushi packages, hamburgers, and breads saw the biggest price hikes among food items in April, according to a government official. Energy prices in Tokyo rose 24.6% year on year in April, slower than in March thanks to the government's fuel subsidy programs to lower gasoline and other energy costs. The so-called core CPI in Tokyo, excluding fresh food and energy items, rose 0.8% in April, posting the first increase since March 2021. The Bank of Japan last week raised its forecast for this year's inflation rate but kept its ultra loose monetary policy unchanged, stressing its resolve to maintain massive stimulus until inflationary pressures were accompanied by wage rises and stronger demand.